Focused our discussion on bilateral and regional issues. I took this opportunity to express my thanks and appreciation for the support Tanzania's government has granted so far to Burundi, particularly in difficult times since the early years of independence. A very high-level delegation to attend in Gitega the funeral of later beloved President Pierre Nkurunziza, and Her Excellency Samia Suluhu Hassan was a part of them. So soon after the means of President Nkurunziza, Tanzanians' brothers and sisters were hit by similar difficulties, losing their beloved President John Pombe Magufuli, and we sent a high-level delegation to Tanzania to show them in turn our solidarity and support. I noted with regret the recent development of the Kariakoo market that was set ablaze in Dar es Salaam, a huge loss of law for the Tanzanian, Burundian, and the East African community. Myself, I visited that market many times. It is a sad event for me as the person who visited already the market. During this discussion, we agreed on various key issues of mutual interest. We appreciated the fact that Burundi and Tanzania have the same political and diplomatic reading at different levels, especially the shared East African community at all levels, the African Union, the United Nations, as well as other international fora. I thank Tanzania for hosting the Burundians during the time of conflict and for its willingness to facilitate their continued voluntary repatriation to their motherland. As Tanzania is clearly more advanced in the field of civil service and governance, I asked His Excellency Samia Suluhu Hassan that her government helps in the training of officials from the Burundi Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Development Cooperation, as well as other sectors to be agreed on. We agreed to continue strengthening peace and security on shared borders, work hand in hand to counter terrorism, trade of narcotics, light weapons as well as the human trafficking in the respective countries. In brief, we stand ready to fighting together all forms of trans-border crimes. We agreed to increase cooperation and exchange of experience concerning the climate change and the disaster management. I appreciate it a great deal to the fact that Tanzania has carried almost single-handedly the burden of Burundi weights. Thanks God, a new situation has pointed to new horizon of hope for both peoples. We agreed to continue exchanging experience in the field of agriculture and livestock in order to increase output. Talking about exchanging experiences, expressed by delight that a Burundian company, Itracom, that manufactures fertilizers, is in the process of opening a plant on Tanzania soil, and we both celebrate this new form of cooperation at the highest level within the East African community. We are committed to continue working together towards a prosperous future for our countries by strengthening our bilateral trade. We invite the citizens of our countries to continue doing business across the borders, especially by investing in ITC, industry, banking, food process sectors, transport, etc. We asked our stakeholders involved in the project of Standard Railway Uvinza Musongati Gitega, Bujumbura Uvira Kindu, especially the bit that concerns Burundi and Tanzania to fast track the launch of construction activities, as well as other cross-border disease. Tena nawashukuru sana Mama Suluhu Hassan for this visit. Tunawatakia kila la heri wakati wote muko nasi hapa nchini Burundi. Mungu abariki Tanzania, Mungu abariki Burundi, Mungu abariki East African Community. Asante sana.